Hi guys, this is Radhika Rawat and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Radhika Rawat. So nowadays, parents, these days kids' behavior towards their parents has become rude and disrespectful. So now, today, right now, I am planning to ask few questions to my daughter. And yeah, being a parent, I have many concerns. I have many concerns. So I thought of having a discussion about this. Yes, so let's start this conversation with my daughter. So yeah, Aradhya.
Yes, so I'm giving a little bit introduction. So my name is Radhya Rawat and I'm currently studying in class 8th. So this today's topic is between my means kids and parents, that how kids behave, like Gen Zs behave with their parents. They do not talk like nicely to them. When parents say about to study, so they just like, no, what happened, I'm not studying. So yeah.
Okay, okay, you're right. So you consider that kids show, disrespectful towards parents. It is true.
Yes.
Okay. So whoa, my first question is this: what part of your studies just make you uh, angry, or just you feel like this is the most difficult part of your learning?
So learning part is the most difficult part. So because mainly in a subject social science, because learning social science is so hard that if we see the paragraphs, we are not able to understand it, because the words in that particular paragraph are very hard to explain. Yeah, some children are interested in social science, so they understand that subject very nicely, but some who are not good in grammar portion, or they are not good vocabulary, so they are very like, it's very hard to understand the fancy words that is being used in that paragraph. So learning part is the most difficult.
Okay, so only in English and in SST are you facing difficulties, or in
No,
each
means
and every
not in
subject?
English, in
Hmm.
SST.
Hmm.
SST means SST, the words are very
Okay.
difficult, not in English. Means English words, there are English words, but they are very hard to like understand.
Okay, 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 nice, yes. And when we were student and we used to, just read and write SST. So actually all the subjects were in Hindi medium, okay, in Hindi
Yeah.
language. So it was not very difficult for us.
Mhm.
But these era, I think kids are facing many difficulties, and it is a very Herculean task for them to just speak in English and read and write in English. Yes, especially in SST. Yeah. Okay. So my second question is, what do you enjoy most when you use phone?
Yeah, watching reels. So watching reels is like just so much fun that I can't tell you. Like watching shorts, if there is a funny part in that short, or in reel, so we just kept reminding it the whole day and we laugh the whole day. So watching reels is so much fun. So parents have concern why the children are like watching these things, that it would be very bad impact on them. So no, that's not bad impact, but it's just for fun.
But it is not like that. Parents have this concern, and it is a very truth concern. It is a very, I think, genuine concern. Parents have that kids are watching reels and unnecessary things on TV and mobiles, and they consider that yeah, they just making fun. Yes. So it is not like that. They are wasting their time. They are not utilizing their time with in a very excellent manner, I think. So what do you think?
No, I mean, that's for fun only. See, with studying, fun is compulsory.
Okay.
But while studying, while means fun while studying, so it's bad. But watching at that particular time that you have given for watching, to enjoy, so you can just watch reels.
No, but there are so many, I think,
No,
sports.
if we are learning in our enjoyment time, so it's not good. If yeah, some people like enjoying, like seeing Discovery channels and means learning things at
But they are not wasting their time. Actually, they are gaining knowledge.
yeah, it's their concern, means they enjoy that. So, and we don't, but we don't. We just enjoying our time. We just like enjoying our time.
Okay,
Means
okay.
if there is break given to the children, so obviously they will enjoy it. Not means some children are there that they think that watching Discovery channels is good to gain knowledge, but some children are not like that. Some children just enjoy their particular time, and then after that they start studying after the break.
No, but they don't have any idea that how much time they are wasting by watching
No,
reels.
break is for a particular time. Means 30 minutes or 1
So you
hour.
can enjoy with playing games with your friends. You can make the most of your time by playing with your friends, and yeah, you can see
Now
some
we are
knowledgeable
see
things on the phone and on the TV also.
we are in 8th standard. Okay, so how we can call our friends if their mothers will think that yeah, that they should not go outside, right? But yeah, the children who are in like LKG, UKG, they can just call their friends in colonies and just play. But we are in 8th class, so we should just
No, cycling is a very good option.
cycling we do, but in like evening. In evening we do cycling, but if we have got a break in afternoon, so what should we do? We will obviously watch reels, or like I play basketball, and sometimes I watch reels.
Okay, okay. So means it's a compulsory to watch reels. Yeah, if you have
For
downtime.
fun, yes.
Oh my God. Okay. So yes, now how can I help you with your studies without pressurizing you?
You should do nothing. I can understand my compulsion. What should I do, or what shouldn't? What shouldn't I do? Because see, don't say me nothing. I can study on my own, and why there is a need to pressurize? Because we know we are in 8th standard. We know that we have to study and we have to like gain good grade. So, and what help you can give me? And means it is 8th standard, so what
Okay.
help you can give me?
Okay, so means what do you mean? Like just you are making me a sarcastic tone that I
No,
cannot
no,
teach
no.
you?
No, you can teach me, but I think studying on my own is better. Means as a 8th class student, studying on my own is better.
Okay, but most of the time you are watching reels, you are using phone.
No.
And at that time I'm just saying you please many times, repeatedly I'm saying you
Yeah,
please
sometimes
sit and just
because winter vacations are going on.
Okay.
So I just watch reels.
No. I'm not having this concern right now. Actually, it's been a long time. I'm observing you that you are not focusing with your studies. So,
No, I'm focusing on my studies. I'm focusing.
okay. So when I scold you, so why do you start screaming badly?
I don't scream badly. See, what happens now? I just say my mom that yeah, I'm coming, just coming. Just give me 5 minutes. Yeah, sometimes it like more than 5 minutes, and then my mother is just like, come fast, study fast, and means so badly. Means the bone of contention is means while studying is
Oh my God. Okay.
yeah.
No, it is not like that actually. Being a parent, it is my responsibility. Yeah, just to tell you about your studying, about your timing. That yeah, this is the time for your study.
Yeah, but at that time I study, and she gives me like, yeah, you can take 20 minutes. What is 20 minutes? Means what is 20 minutes? Okay. I understand like 30 minutes, but what is 20 minutes is a very short duration to watch anything or play anything. Okay. So, yeah, what was the question? I just
Why do you scream badly.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I don't scream at that time. I just say, Mama, I'm just coming. And she's like, no, come at the particular time that I have told you.
Yes,
Just come.
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
But many times, just I have told you that, yeah, what is your study time, and
But
you are watching reels, and you are wasting your time.
that's not wasting of time. That's for fun. That particular time is for fun. See, 30 minutes is not wastage. Wastage of 30 minutes is not a big deal. We're not actually not wastage. We are not just seeing very bad thing that in which there is abuses or anything. We are not watching that things, but we are just watching shorts for fun.
Hmm.
So why parents scold?
This is all about reels. Okay, watching reels only. Okay, you're means you're preoccupied with watching TV only. Yes, you don't have any concern. Okay, just you have concern that you have to watch TV, and you will watch only reels, and this is your fun.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, means watching reels is not only fun, but yeah, I also play basketball.
Okay.
I also play basketball sometimes, but sometimes I watch reels. I prefer to watch reels, and sometimes I play basketball.
Okay, okay. So why do today's kids means Gen Z just love talking with their friends a lot?
Because our friends are so funny.
Okay.
Like talking with them is so fun, and winter vacations are going on, so we are not able to meet our friends. So like chatting and means calling them and just enjoying, spending some time with them is fun. But we don't do it regularly. Sometimes, like in a week, one time
Okay.
we talk.
But it is not like that you are missing your friends, and you are talking with them.
No,
over
we
the
are
phone.
missing. We are missing our
Yeah,
friends.
you are missing, but you are calling them, you are just making chat with them.
Actually, I do not make any call to my friend. My friends make me call.
Yes, yes.
But
it means they are missing you. You are not missing them.
I am missing them too. But I am not supposed to call them anytime.
Okay.
Anytime means if they're 12 o'clock, so I am not calling them. Yeah, they are supposed to call. They can call me anytime, but I think I will not call them anytime. Like,
But sometimes parents don't like that I think a few months
there
ago.
are some friends.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. So what is the matter? Can you just tell?
What matter?
Actually, just you made call to your friends.
Yeah, I made call to my friend at around 9 p.m. and then she just she just started talking about me, that I'm not taking the name, but she started talking about me in the whole class, that she called me at 9 p.m. We were sleeping at that time. So
Yeah.
9 p.m.
And her father also speaking from the background that, yeah, what is this, this is the right time to talk with someone.
Oh,
Yes,
I am
and
telling
I'm
the
studying. I'm studying
I am
this
telling
time.
the wrong matter then.
Yes, yes.
That's another matter. That means I was talking
Yeah. So
about
parents
another.
means the thing is that parents don't like.
Yeah.
Yes, if you are making call to your friends
Yeah.
at any time.
Actually, she is a very studious girl. She just sits at around 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. to study.
Okay.
So she doesn't like
And her
like
father
calling.
is very
Yeah,
strict,
and
very
if,
strict person.
like we also meet on Google Meet when there is a online class. So after that we again join to meet our friends. So when we join, so she also say me that, oh, please don't call me. Please don't try calling me at this time. My father is at home, and this and that. And her mother also don't like that.
Doesn't like.
Yeah, doesn't like. Not me only, anyone.
So her
They
father,
don't like
her
calling.
parents, both are very strict.
Yeah, very
towards
strict,
their kids.
very
Yeah, they don't like somebody is calling their kids
Yeah.
anytime. Yes. Okay, okay. So yeah, to some extent, I think this is right or wrong.
It's wrong because this is our childhood and we are not like living in it. so it's bad. Our childhood is just spoiling. So
Mm-hmm.
enjoying his child, if any person is not enjoying in his childhood, so I don't think that I think they will regret in future. That yeah, we did
Parents will regret or kids will regret?
Kids.
Kids will regret.
Parents will be happy that their children is now settled and is has a good job, but children will not that kid will not be satisfied that yeah, I do not enjoy that my childhood and now I'm regretting.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So yeah, many parents have the, but I think many parents are very nice. Like your
Yeah.
friend Navya's mother,
Yeah.
and yeah, they both are very nice
Yeah.
because whenever you make her call, so she is also available to talk
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah.
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 So yeah, so I think to some extent I think it is right, or sometimes I think it is not.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, okay. So today's Gen Z's attraction, I think, are their attires.
Yeah.
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 Why?
Because
why they have been thinking twice and thrice when they are
choosing
just
their outfits.
throwing any party, or just
Yeah.
they are attending any party.
Because we try to look good uh, from an person, means we are just comparing ourselves from a person that yeah, we have to look good than his or her.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just choose attires so it could look attractive.
Mm-hmm.
And we are sometimes very choosy, like I am very choosy in that thing. Ki no mama, I will not wear that, I will not wear that, I will wear this thing because it's looking good for means from the theme of the party.
Okay, theme of the party. So Christmas has gone, so you didn't, throw just throw any party.
Yeah, we
So
made
what kind of planning are you making? for
yeah,
this?
we made it from last year. We just enjoyed a party.
And you enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, we
last
enjoyed
time,
a lot. So tomorrow means Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah, tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah.
So tomorrow we are throwing a party. Means firstly there was a party at my friend's home. Then there is a now this year now again a party is being throwing, but by my friend, but at her house.
Okay.
But
If she declined at the
if she
same
declines
time,
at the like last moment, so it would be like I at my home, the party would be like
okay, you will organize the party
Yeah.
at your home.
Yes.
And if I deny that no, you will not organize this party at your home,
Hmm.
then what will you do?
Then I will just doing everything.
What? Okay, okay. So what kind of expectations do you have from your parents?
That they shouldn't like scold us at all. They should just like praise us. Not
But why?
very
What
much.
is the reason? Can you explain? Like,
Yeah, because it is a tender age. Means we are going through puberty, so there are very matlab means very much mood swings.
okay, you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids have.
Not only me.
Yeah, kids have
Yeah,
mood swings.
kids.
So you
At this
are
age.
expecting means from your parents. So we just make you comfortable.
Yeah.
And just lighten your mood.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we should not scream.
Yeah.
Yes, badly. We should not scold you badly. But sometimes circumstances just create. So as a parent.
By my mother.
No. it is not
Sometimes
like-
by me, sometimes by mother.
No,
By
no.
my mother.
Yes, yes. So yeah. So what do you think that ever and never I should just scold you?
No, you should. You
Hmm.
should scold me if I am wrong at that time.
Hmm.
But not like so much. You should support us.
Okay.
But not with
We are
that
not
bad
supporting you. We are
Hmm.
not. We are not giving. We are not providing you each and everything.
thing. No, that's not support.
Okay.
Support is another thing. Like if we are like in cyberbullying or something, so so there should be like a satisfaction in our mind that yeah, we can tell our mother and father, so that they can understand, make us understand that yeah, we can understand, make us feel better.
Okay.
Feel comfortable that okay, it happens sometimes, you are in this, so we will do this and that. But some parents are like that you did this, I can't believe that, and they just scold them so much, and the children is like going through depression.
Okay.
Starts going through depression.
Okay, okay. So, but I think it depends on circumstances also that in which like how to say
Environment.
environment you are getting at your home,
Yeah.
and how is your how are your parents like behavior, and they are abusing or they are fighting with each other. So this kind of, but at our home, I think you are not
No,
getting
no.
such circumstances and
Yeah.
such environment. Yes, and whatever we speak fluently, and we speak as a friend, we just share our things with you as a friend. Okay, so okay, so my last question is this, that what kind of things make you feel scared or just frightened?
Yeah, losing my parents.
Okay.
Losing my parents, my siblings is just like a fear,
Hmm.
biggest fear.
Hmm.
I can't imagine my losing my parents.
Okay, so it means you love a lot
Yeah,
to your parents.
yeah.
Yes.
I love my parents a lot.
Why? Because we are just providing you each and everything.
No.
That's why.
No,
Huh?
because we have like from you make us so much like from this to
Hmm.
this.
Okay, this
Okay.
to that.
Means we were just like so
That
small.
is. Hmm.
Yeah, parents could be like if we were newborn, if we are not, we don't know anything. If we are newborn and changing diapers,
Parents are
or yeah,
guiding you. Parents are taking care.
no, everything they do from our childhood, like changing diapers, providing us milk and everything. Huh?
Mhm.
Like so why we can just
Okay.
yeah,
So parents
yeah,
just.
some kids are like them when they are grown up, so they just they push out their parents from their house.
Mhm.
So I don't think how does they do like this.
Mhm. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
I think you should not use here pull out,
push out,
not push out. I think you should use like
kick out.
kick out.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Just they kick their parents
Hmm.
out from the home. Yes.
So how does like they how dare to like how dare.
Yes, yes, I can understand your inner feelings and
Yeah.
emotional struggles also, and you love your parents a lot.
Yeah,
But
I love my
sometimes,
parents.
we just make heated argument,
Yeah.
yeah, with each other, and you annoy me a lot, and just I
She
scold.
annoys me.
I just lash out at you badly. Okay, but the thing is that we are parents. We have lots of experience about life. Okay, so it is our duty and responsibility. And if kids are listening to my words, so definitely I want to say, like parents are thinking about your well-being. Okay, and it is not like that we are your enemies, and okay, so you should think about your parents feelings also. Okay, I just understand, and every parents understand that 13 and 14 age is a very tender age, and you are going through a puberty, and we should I think um, give you a comfortable environment, and I think we should take care of your mood swings also. But to some extent, yes, like we also tired, we get tired. Okay, and we just get out of our frustration. Yeah.
But it's not good. Okay,
Yeah.
so like just how to say
Hmm.
that just frustration.
No, just
Yeah.
make when my frustration
When you throw
overboiled.
yeah, so
Overboiled.
it's not good to throw your frustration on anyone.
No. It is not like.
Even
But
if
when
it
you
is
make
related to any other person, so it is not good to throw it on
not
any
any
other.
time, not every time actually
Not
I'm
every
doing
time,
this.
but if any time you do that, so it's not good.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so I think parents also should understand about their kids' inner feelings and emotional struggles also, because really, this is their tender age. Okay. And we should also understand, and kids also should understand that they are our parents, and we should give them respect. Okay. We should speak respectfully, not rudely. So this was our lengthy conversation. I hope you just you will enjoy this conversation. Okay, so thank you so much.